looking at the Pacific Islands, very heavily reliant on diesel power. You've already got transmission infrastructure. Yeah, and you've got a really good solar resource on most of those islands. You can build solar quite easily. You don't have to do it as fancily as you do it in Australia. With tracking, you can put systems that are more durable, so they require less maintenance, which recognises the skill set that might be in a region. And then you can basically change the electrical grid to be greener. We're doing work with Nauru already at the moment, so we do have case studies. We've got lessons learnt on how to work in the region. We can use what we know from there and apply it to different nations. So I think that's something that we could really easily help with. And small-scale solar doesn't have to just be joining onto the grid. Solar is something you can bring in a few panels to basically charge people's phones, and then people, don't have to rely on diesel to charge phones. And then you've got better connectivity, you can have better education, and then that increases equity, not just in keeping your lights on, but then creating value for the future.
Learn more with Nexus. Published by GHD, where ideas connect.